is up, everybody? We've got a brand new exclusive for you from Toor. But before we get started, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you will know when we bring you every single new exclusive right here. Now, without further ado, light that up. All right, folks, we've got a brand new exclusive for you from Toor. This is from their Chasm line. We are calling this the Widow, and this thing is wicked. We're going to dive right in, do an unboxing, and show this thing to you up close. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this box. Now, one thing that we absolutely love, and you know, Isaac and I have talked about it, we love presentation. We love getting to unbox things that that people obviously took care, not only in the product itself, but in the presentation of the product. And it really means a lot. It goes a long way in showing how much they care about the product and about the end consumer. And I mean, it's just really cool. It really doesn't add anything to the functionality of it, but it really means a lot when you've got like a really nice magnetic case. It folds open, and you look right there in the box. You've got a message from the founder right there, Toor, and really cool guarantee right there, as well as the warranty information on the back. Guaranteed for life. This is their folding series. This is the Chasm, and this is our exclusive model. So let's dive right in and pull that bad boy out. Now, this is their Chasm pattern that you are familiar with. However, this one is coming in with the Tonto blade. I mean, this thing is absolutely insane. Now, what makes this one a little bit different and what makes this one an exclusive for us here at SMKW is you will notice still got the titanium handles on this side and the new deep carry pocket clip that they're making now. But this one's got the G10 handles with the red liner. And that's why we named this the Widow right there. So it's not only the G10 handles, but also the pattern that is milled into those G10 handles, giving it a lot of really cool feeling grip right there as well. And the Tonto blade. So let's go over the specs of this bad boy right here. And this one's coming in as a frame lock, 6AL4V titanium frame lock on the back side. Now, on the front side, it's going to be the G10 handles with the red liners, black G10 milled. This one's coming in with CPM 154 blade steel, about 59 to 61 Rockwell is what it's speccing out at. Overall length is 7.25 inches. Blade length is 3.25 inches. Handle length of 4 inches. Blade thickness of 0.125 inches, making this thing super, super slicey. And this is obviously the Tonto version, which is really, really cool. This thing is going to be running on phosphor bronze washers for smooth controlled action. And this one is also going to come in, because of the G10 as half of the handle material, it's going to come in even more lightweight than the traditional Chasm. And the action on this thing is super smooth. You can even reverse flick it there. That thing is super, super smooth. Really, really digging this thing. And this one's going to be coming in. Let's take a closer look at that. So this SMKW exclusive Toor Chasm is coming in at $200 even for incredible materials and incredible craftsmanship, and for a great exclusive from Toor Knives. That is a veteran-owned company, and we've talked about them before and about what a great product they put out. If you haven't checked it out yet, go back and look at our video. We did an interview with Toor, the founder of the company. Him and his brother started the company, veteran-owned and operated, and they're operated out of San Diego, California. And we've talked about how efficient they are running their business, and I think that's really cool. With almost zero landfill footprint, I think it's less than 10%, and I think that's fantastic for a company making materials like this to be able to be that environmentally minded is really cool. And to see the stuff that they are putting out, really hard use stuff, really digging it. I've actually got one of the older Chasms with the recurve blade, and I love that thing. That's one of my favorite knives that I carry, and really digging the Tonto blade on this one. There's sometimes, I got to be honest, my personal opinion, a lot of times Tonto really doesn't scream to me. I like them sometimes, but it's got to be just right. And I tell you what, this one right here is absolutely just right. I think it looks great, feels great in the hand. The way it swells on the back end there really fills up the palm there. Really great looking knife. Awesome feel. All you got to do is click the link in the description below. Now, these are going to be a fantastic exclusive and one that you're going to want to get your hands on, and that's when they're going to be available. So folks, again, like, share, comment, subscribe, talk to us down in the comments below. Let us know what you think about this beautiful Toor exclusive right here, this exclusive Chasm, the Widow. Check it out in the link in the description below. And as always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. And remember, if it cuts like a Toor, then we carry it. I am back. Hey, I'm going to steal this joke. What rhymes with chasm? Don't get cute. Me. It's a widow. That is a deep, dark chasm. Look into my crystal ball. What do you see? Param di shum.